Hello guys, it's Dara. I'm UX UI designer at Cieden, and you're watching the second episode of UX Upgrade. Today we'll take a look at a well-recognized design for purchasing cinema tickets. Pause the video and let us know which mistakes you find in the comments below. And keep watching until the end to see if you guessed correctly. If you haven't seen the previous episode of UX Upgrade, the link will be in the description below. Let's get it started. The first thing that caught my attention were cards with additional information. Their goal is to inform users of the location, date, and time of the film. Can you see what's wrong with these cards? The labels and text inside the cards are inconsistent. For example, here we have date as a label and day of the week as text, but we also have label as the word time and time as text. One of the solutions is making the text and labels consistent. But in our case, it's better to simplify the style of the cards. Icons are already informative, so there's no need for labels. Let's leave the first row for the longer address and the second for date and time. Also, to save vertical space for the main content, let's put the 2D label right next to the movie title. After this fix, another mistake appeared. Could you spot it in 5 seconds? Congratulations if you noticed that composition became unbalanced. Now the visual weight is cluttered on the left, while the right stays empty. Unbalanced composition creates discomfort for the eyes, making design look less appealing. Let's move the poster to the right. Now let's move to the map of the cinema hall. Take a look at a legend and choose the seat. Could you tell whether it's empty or taken? Try to name the row and the seat number. Without this small detail, you won't be able to book tickets to sit next to a friend who already bought their tickets. Different types of data visualization often are the best way to display the information, but sometimes overcomplicated and unclear legends could distort the data. In this case, empty seats are grayed out. Gray is usually associated with inactive elements. Also, the seat and row are shown in the checkout section only when seats are selected. Let's fix it. To save vertical space, let's add rows and seat numbers to the seats and modify their shape. To make a more comprehensive legend, let's make taken seats gray and free seats white with a colored outline. They will fill with color when selected. As the design becomes more predictable, the user regains control. Also, design should be adaptable to any changes, even if it involves closed-off seats during the pandemic. Seats that are COVID-friendly will be marked with a cross. The design remains understandable and uncomplicated. The following mistakes are not so serious, but they can have a significant impact on user experience. Breadcrumbs are typically used to navigate between nested pages. However, we have form steps, not nested pages. Form stepper looks really different. By the way, have you noticed a countdown timer? Businesses use this approach to speed up the ticket booking process. Whilst business meaning is clear, the user's purpose is not. It can cause users to panic or freeze. How do you solve this problem? I'll give you 5 seconds. I've added a description and put this alert in the checkout section to not overlap with the form stepper. We have 2 promo code fields. Just imagine, what if we wanted to buy 30 tickets for a student group? How tedious would the process be, especially with limited time? Realistically, we should only use 1 promo code per order. Let's let the developers decide which tickets are discounted and which are not. Subtotal is located near the title Tickets, but it's generally better to place subtotal near the total. If you want more details about best design practices for checkout pages, subscribe to our channel and ring the bell. This way you won't miss our next video. Let's put subtotal near the total. It would be even better if we added some titles to this section to clarify the hierarchy. Now let's take a look at before and after screens. Do you agree? What would you do differently? Do you think this redesign would affect your general satisfaction with the cinema? It was Dara, UX/UI designer at Cieden. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Let me know in the comments below which apps or websites should I include in the next episode. Bye!